Hi my friend, welcome to Figma for Digital Marketing and Growth Hacking course. Today we're starting a journey to the world of effective production and testing of creatives and other marketing graphics. I work in marketing field for more than 12 years, and for a very long time I was dreaming about a tool that can automate banner creation while still give a good flexibility. And there was no such a tool. Classical graphical editors were too clumsy, and the tools like Canva, Banner Snack and so on didn't give the necessary kind of freedom. All of them were too stuck with their templates. And one day I bumped into Figma. At the first time I didn't realize all its power, I just thought of it as a new, fast and good web-based graphical editor. And I was happy with that, but sometime later I learned how to use its more complex functions like auto layout, constraints and components, and at that point I realized this is it, this is the tool that I was hoping to get for years. I have created more than 3000 banners for running A/B tests by myself in 2020, and I'm even not a designer, so you can do this as well. We will start this course with Figma basics and highlight the most important tools for us. Then we will learn automation tools like components, auto layouts and constraints on examples of some random banners. After we will create whole generic banners and move to Google Ads, Facebook Ads and social media formats. Then we will learn some tips, try some plugins, templates that will speed up and automate your work. Finally, we will learn how to use Growth Hacking Board and test your hypothesis and conduct A/B tests and so on. So this course will give you solid skills in design for digital marketing. As a bonus to this course, I give you 2 ready-to-use templates for Google Ads and Facebook Ads. The course is divided into chapter sections. Each section has its own theme and contains from 2 to about a dozen of lessons. Lessons in the first sections are pretty basic and rather short. Moving forward, lessons become longer, so the information becomes more complicated and needs more time to describe it on a good level. Some sections have quizzes and assignments, so you can test yourself and revise the lessons on practice. For most of the sections, I use the single Figma file that is designed the way that you can repeat after me, and you have always some examples in front of you. Feel free to use it, change it, play around with any of its parts. The course is not short, but I suggest you to come to the end of it, and my strong advice is do all the practice. In this case, you will get the most value from your learning. And one more hint from theory of education and of how human brain works. If you learn new information and apply it within a week, you will probably remember this information, turn it into your skill. If you do not do this, you will probably forget most of this in a couple of weeks or months. So the best way to get the maximum of the course is if during the lesson you will create your own examples, your own images for your job, for your business or for your hobby. And now let's start our course and move to the first lessons. Good luck, and I hope to see you at the end of the course.